Here we are at the Marina del Rey Doubletree in Marina del Rey, California. You walk in, you got a bathroom with a nice big mirror. Pretty standard bathroom. All the stuff you'd expect. Soaps and towels and bathroom stuff. Out here you got the rest of the room. A door goes to a hallway. Some storage, some hangers, some drawers, lots of storage, nice ironing board, an iron, coffee maker, fridge. Nothing in there. You can put your own stuff in there. I like when the fridge is empty. A couple of beds, some lights, nice modern clean decor. Nice to see a USB-C built in. You don't see that every day. Maybe you do. I don't see that every day. Table. Big mirror. Parking lot. Sweet, sweet parking lot views.